afternoon, Millie Fam YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel today. So today is day 22 and we are in house 2. And today, as you can see, this is not I'm not the one usually taking my videos, but today I'm taking my videos because the workers are busy. We are trying to shift the chicks from a different brooding area from the other because they've grown a little bit more, so we're trying to separate them to ensure maximum growth. Yeah, so today I'll show you around. As you stick around in the video, I'll show you around about what's happening. Maybe we'll spend 3-4 minutes together in this video. My name is James Johanna as always, and I'm the production manager and co-founder of this poultry farm, in house 1. Today we're separating the 1010 beds, which are now 980 beds left. We've had 30 fatalities and we have had 29 fatalities, so 981. Yeah, so so back to today. So today we're separating, as I was saying, we're separating the beds into a different brooding area. Yeah, so because that area is a little bit running out of space, so we had made a new brooding area, as you will see later in the video. As always, we're committed to producing quality and healthy chickens on time. So you're part of the process, and today is a special video. It's something special for you that I want you to see for yourself as we'll be doing this. Stay tuned. So this is what is happening. Okay. So this is what is happening. So as you can see, this brooding area was really filled up. So that reduces the potential of the chicks growth rate. So we had to separate them into a different enclosure that I'll show you. It's over there. So as you can see, that's the other enclosure. That's the other brooding area that we're putting them in. Yeah, so these are the guys that I work with. Yeah, so we have Douglas over there, we have Godwin over there. Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. So thank you guys for staying in tune. Keep on subscribing to our YouTube channel. For those that have subscribed, thank you very much. Tell a friend to tell a friend about our YouTube channel. We are grateful for your support. Okay, thank you very much. So number 30. Okay, so that's 60 or 30. 30. All right. So let's go into the area where we're taking them. So yeah. Okay. So this is a new area, as you can see. It's new everything. New everything, as you can see. Everything is okay. The feed, the sawdust it's never been used, so they will really enjoy this place and it will help them. It is essential for their growth because there are only a few factors that we really consider when raising these beds. That's the space, the feed, the water, and the heat. Just a few factors, and a few other factors like biosecurity. Yeah, so we're just improvising. That's what we're using to transfer them from one brooding area to this brooding area. So thank you very much for staying in tune. This is what I had for you for today. This is a day 22 as well, as I said earlier on. Thank you very much for staying in tune. Have a blessed day. Thank you once more. I'll update you tomorrow on the next video feed. Thank you.